everyone, it's my pleasure to introduce myself here for you. My name is Zhou Lichong from Chengdu City, Sichuan Province, China. I'm an open-minded, easygoing person with high responsibility. For my hobbies, I like reading books, traveling, and practice calligraphy. I'm skilled in making delicious Chinese food like Chuan dishes and Xiang dishes. I have rich experiences in teaching Chinese, such as General Chinese, Business Chinese, and HSK, with different teaching methods by books, videos, situation, and communication. I always encourage my students to become better and better. I graduated from Hunan University with fluent English speaking, so there is no any communication barrier between us when you learn Chinese with me. Chengdu is an amazing city with slow life and many wonderful traveling places such as Wuhouci, Jinli, Chuan Renmin Gongyuan, and so on. People here are so friendly. I firmly believe you will love this city once you come here. 欢迎你来成都和我一起沉浸式学习汉语。在这里，我送你一句中国名言：读万卷书，行万里路。谢谢。